I'm going to walk around the back now because the snow is so pretty on the forsythia. This is just from today because I cleared off the hot tub yesterday. But this is how much snow because I didn't clear this off. The stand and the trees are beautiful with the snow sticking on it. And the forsythia. I'm in back of the studio now. That's where I keep the snow blower. Friend Lou is going to try the snowblower today, but I'm going to show him how it starts, and I'm putting on my Panasonic noise-canceling headphones. Okay. We're getting ready to roll now. It's a gorgeous day today, and Lou was really looking forward to this because he loves the snow and outdoor activity.
Yes, love the snow.
Okay.
Okay, hold on now. Wait, don't come too fast.
It's okay. So, I'm going to start this up now by lugging this in.
That's it, I'm sticking with my shovel.
Gas.
I'm sticking with my shovel.
Gas. Maybe over there. What do you think if you walked over there?
Yeah, sure.